Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I've come up to Camden today again, but I started the day off down in Somerville, caught two down there, and caught a few here in Camden, but man, it's been mighty slow today. But hey, it's part of the game. You always run that risk when you come out to these one-line mains to get trains. It can be kind of slow, but it doesn't matter. We still got those trains, and that's the important part. And here in Camden, like we caught last week when I was up here, they were ripping through. So that was some fun stuff, just like that car there ripping through there. But hey, guess what? We got a train on the way, and once he gets here, we'll get the video rolling. All right, everybody, stay tuned. All right, everybody, good morning. Good morning from Somerville Cemetery. As you can see, at the Bouncy Bridge right here. Well, AKA Bouncy Bridge. I know some of you said, "I don't see no bouncing." Well, that's because they fixed it. They fixed it last year, and it doesn't bounce anymore. But I've never gotten a shot from down here. And guess what? We got a train coming. We got a train coming right now. He was ripping, man. All right, that was awesome. There he goes. That was 262. Headed up to Chicago. Out of way of Cincinnati. Guest Street Yard. All right, everybody, stay tuned for more. Before the next train comes, let's take a look at these old bridge pillars, these old posts. Look at how old. There's no date down there that I can see of. Any means there's pieces of old telegraph poles down there, but look at that. There was either another line here, or those posts were for telephone pole or for the telegraph poles. I think got more over there. It looks like been torn down or washed out, but you can see where all the flood come in and erodes. And there's this bridge, and it still stands strong. Yeah, really cool. That's the former Bouncy Bridge. It doesn't bounce anymore. Alrighty, folks, look way down the line. We got a train coming. Look at that. I think we got ourselves a heritage unit coming up. We got a heritage unit, folks. Look at that. Bridge is flexing a little bit. dipping down over there. That's cool. And yes, I know that's supposed to happen. A nice little anvil. Man, who doesn't love that sound? That was awesome. All right, folks, keep it right here for more. Alrighty, we got the gates going down here. Because we got a train coming. We got a northbound coming. Woo boy, sounds like he's a ripping. FedEx containers yet. And I don't know if there's any on this one. I might have missed them, but I don't see any. There they go. Towards Richmond, Indiana. I'll be getting Eaton in here very soon. We're only like 8 or 7 miles away from Eaton. Anyways, hoping we get a lunar, we get more trains. He wasn't as flying as used to, but sometimes the westbounds, they don't fly as fast as the eastbounders do. Anyway, there you go, Gates, and here I gotta go. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. All right, folks, we got our first eastbounder of the day, and it's 4 or 5, almost 5:30, and he is bringing it, man. He's giving off the wind, man. DPU coming through. That was a good train. That was a real good train right there. We've been looking for that all day, and we finally got one. I'm hoping we get a little more. That was awesome, folks. I'm hoping we get another southbounder shortly after this guy. We're gonna hang around and find out, because last time I was here, boy, they just kept on coming. All right, everybody, stay tuned for more. All right, folks. This guy's 29A, and boy, he is bringing it. He is bringing it. We'll see what he's got. It's an intermodal. There's your FedEx Containers Grove, Tucky Tom. even knew what they were loaded with. There they go. Eastbound towards Hamilton. They'll be crossing to Hamilton. They'll probably take the curve at Hamilton, which just continues to the Newcastle sub, and they'll be on their way to Cincinnati. And it points south. All right. That was awesome. We'll watch them go around the bend here. Let's zoom in. You can barely see those empties going around the bend there. And there he goes. All right, folks. That was awesome. Hopefully we get a little more. If we don't, we don't. That was 5, and we've waited all day for that. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. All right, here we go. Gates going down here. We got a train on the way, another westbounder. Let's see, I can't tell if he's bringing it or not. I don't even know what we got here. But there's a signal behind me and I'm going to try to get it dropping. Alrighty folks, that is going to do it for me today. That's number 6 on the day, and like I said, that's it for me. I'm going to pack it up and start rolling southbound to the house. I appreciate you joining me today. I appreciate the views. I appreciate the comments. You guys are truly awesome. And I'm going to get out of here. Thanks for tuning in. and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye for now. See ya. Alrighty, folks, that's a wrap up here in Camden. That's a wrap up here in northern Butler County and southern Preble County. Had a whole lot of fun today. Might have been a little slow, but it didn't matter. We still got the trains. We still got it done, and we couldn't have better weather. Little humid, but over and all, not too bad. No sun. We had almost total cloud cover all day long. I had a little bit of rain towards the beginning when I was waiting around down in Somerville at the cemetery, but nothing to shake a stick at. It was really nice. But we got some thunderstorms coming in for tonight and tomorrow morning. So we'll see what it looks like tomorrow to get on out. I don't know. But hey, it's been a good day up here. You guys have been hanging out with me all day, and that's quite long enough. So I'm ready to get out of here. So with that, like, comment, subscribe, share if you haven't done so already. Hit the little alert button right over here. You'll get the notifications for when I post. And if you have more time, please watch another video, because every video you watch really helps my channel. Really do appreciate it. Helps the channel grow, helps pay for that gas, and all that wonderful jazz. And you guys have been so awesome about all that stuff. So keep it up for me if you could, and don't forget to watch those ads. That helps pay a lot. That's the easiest way for me to get paid. But until we meet again, out here on the rails, have a good day.